Hello and welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make Buddha craft. So let's get started. So firstly take your A4 size sheet and put the masking tapes on it, and now take white and blue color and mix it and make light blue shade. And if you have light blue color, then you can use it directly also. And now apply this light blue color on your whole sheet and then let this sheet dry properly. Now take your one more A4 size sheet and start drawing Buddha on it along me as displayed on the screen. Firstly we are making Buddha's head, and now we are drawing the Buddha's face. Do follow as displayed on the screen. I am making the cute and animated Buddha because it looks so nice, and if you know how to make normal Buddha, then you can also make that rather than this. But this looks nice, so I am making this. We are now doing detailing in it, and now our upper portion of the Buddha is ready, so now we are making the Buddha's lower portion. Now this is the Buddha's dress, and this last portion is the Buddha's leg, and now you can see we are drawing it. Now we are doing detailings in it. You can also do it directly with the marker if you don't want to do it with pencils. Now we are rubbing all the extra lines from here, and now you can see how cute and nice it is looking here. Now take your black marker or black sketch pen and do outlining of this, and then it will look more nice and cute here. Now we have done outlining, so now we will do coloring in it. So for coloring you can choose any color combinations. I am using my plastic crayons and I am taking orange color. You can choose any color combinations. Now we have did coloring, and now take brown acrylic color on your earbud and start filling it in the Buddha's head. I am making this in random directions. You can also make it in only one direction. Now you make sure that you are packing it properly because it should look like Buddha's hair, as we have seen in sculpture, idols, etc. etc. Now you can see I have packed it fully. Now our Buddha is ready, so let it dry completely. Now our base sheet is dried, so we are taking it and removing the masking tape, and now we are making the tree, which is the base where Buddha will sit. I am making this directly with the marker. You can also use pencil for it if you want. Now we have drawn the tree, and now we will do coloring in it. I am using my brown color. You can also take black color here. Now I have cutted my Buddha, and now we will paste it on the stump of our tree like this. So now we will color the upper portion of the tree using oil pastels. For I am taking Fevicol green color for outlining, and now I am taking the emerald green color. I am doing it using the overlapping technique. We can also take different types of shades in it, and so that the tree will look more beautiful. Now take any tissue paper and blend it. Now you can see I have did coloring in our tree. Now we will make aerial roots here using dark brown oil pastel. You can also leave this step if you don't want. Now you can see our Buddha craft is ready. So thanks for watching.